You are going to love the 2013 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.